Our goal is to find unique, off-the-beaten-path investments for our clients.
Essentially, all investors are competing with each other to understand how industries are changing, which companies are going to be winners and losers.
Information is the lifeblood of our business. It's real-world information. It's based on someone's opinions, someone who's actually on the ground.
The inspiration for the Grassroots study on drones came about, as many do, when I was researching a company that was going to enter the commercial drone market, and I realized that there was no information available at all. It just seemed unresearched.
Grassroots Research is unique in the asset management industry because we are an in-house resource. That means my team is there interacting every day with the investment professionals globally across the firm. Steve Barexa approached me about doing a Grassroots Research study to look into the agricultural drone market. It was assigned to one of our reporters, Gail Macco.
So we will get an email from Grassroots in San Francisco saying, here's a project. Then we'll get some questions and some materials from the project manager. And then it's kind of a matter of a lot of research on the internet, looking for people that might be able to answer those questions.
The advantage that drones will give to farming will be giving them a perspective from the air that they just cannot get from the ground. They can see a lot more area and see it much quicker.
Agriculture is still one of America's biggest industries, and it's an industry where there hasn't been a lot of innovation. This type of drone imaging could be a key step into that precision farming. Grassroots allows us to find that random, uncovered company that otherwise could slip through the cracks.
Grassroots has given us an ability to see things that other investors don't and recognize change that others don't and position the portfolios to win. It's information that you can't otherwise get, and sometimes it's literally to understand a company's next move, maybe even before the company does it.